do the altitudes of the acute triangle here. I get my compass. So this one's a little bit easier than the obtuse triangle because I shouldn't have to extend my sides, but I do still need to start by creating that segment across from my angles. So I'm having to make this wide enough where it will cross the side 2 times to create that segment that we need to bisect. So now I need to go from each of these intersections on this side. I need to be more than halfway and do like a perpendicular bisector. Most of our constructions are using that perpendicular bisector part. So each one will have 3 arcs to it. Then use a straight edge and where the intersections are, and it should also go through your vertex of your angle. That's the altitude. It's a perpendicular line going through the angle and perpendicular to the side across from it. So there's one of them. Now to do from another angle, so let's do this angle on the right. So I need to open my compass wide enough to cross the side multiple times. Looks like I need it a little bit wider. Okay, and I'm going to need to extend the side of the triangle because it went a little bit outside of the edge there. There we go. So right here and right here, those points are the points that we're needing to do the perpendicular bisector from. Making sure that our compass is open more than halfway, but less than the whole way. And doing our arcs that we would for a perpendicular bisector. And then, well, good thing I don't need it at that setting anymore. Connecting with a straight edge. And it should go through that angle across from it. So now I have 2 of them and need to do the third. So the third angle is over here. Need to open this wide enough to intersect the other side twice. Let's see. Looks like I'm going to need to extend this side again. Let's see. Yep. So I'm going to go with it right where it's at here, and then I'll extend the side. So extending this side of the triangle. Finding those intersections. And I'll have to do the perpendicular bisector of that segment that we just created. Make sure it's open more than halfway, but less than the whole way. There we go. It gets so messy. And connecting with a straight edge through to the other angle, and they should meet at a point, all at the same point, right about there. And that is the ortho center for an acute triangle. It's inside of the triangle. I already did the right triangle one. It's right here. You can see that they meet at the corner of the right angle when it's a right triangle.